Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Eclipse has the web tools or the JavaScript package installed. This gives you editors and launch configurations. Once done, install Node.js so Eclipse can run scripts externally. Now create a new JavaScript project and add a source file like app.js. Open the file in the JavaScript editor and make a simple console. Log to test. This gets you immediately to the point where Eclipse Node and your code are aligned and ready for execution. Next, configure how Eclipse runs your script. Open Run Configurations and add a Node.js application, then point it to your project's main JavaScript file. Make sure the working directory matches the project root so module paths resolve correctly. Add envars if your code needs them. If you need to inspect behavior, switch to debug mode, set breakpoints in the editor, and use the variables and console views. This lets you step through code and see why values change during run. To finish, launch Run or Debug and monitor the console for output or stack traces. If you see module not found errors, open the project's terminal and run npm install for required packages, then refresh the project and rerun. If Eclipse cannot start Node, go to Preferences, locate the Node.js runtime setting, and point to the correct binary path. If things still fail, clear the workspace cache and restart Eclipse. This resolves many stale configuration issues without code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.